everyone, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and today we got another Cricut mystery box. This one is the Under the Sea mystery box. I did not just do that.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
So let's see what's in the box. Ooh, I love me a good ombre, and there's like all sorts of shades of blue in here. And some of my unicorn stuff. I see some but you guys probably want to see what's in here, huh? Okay. We got a cutie! We do. So this one, let's open it and see what we got. We have, this guys is the Twilight Cutie. You see him there? Now this one is a repeat. This one came out in December of 2020. So he is a purpley color, like a grape color, I would call it. He's adorable. You purple lovers, I know I got a lot of purple lovers on here. This is your guy. All right, we're gonna get light blue permanent glossy vinyl. So this is 12 by 48 inches. Really close actually to like Tiffany blue too. And we're also gonna get premium vinyl in medium blue, and this is 12 by 48 inches of this. It reminds me, like, if you think crayons, I think like the color cornflower. Do you guys remember? Isn't there like a blue called cornflower? That's what this reminds me of. We're also going to get some premium vinyl, and this is in the vivid blue. The vivid blue, and this is the removable matte, and you're going to get 12 by 48 inches of that. All right, and this is premium vinyl. This is the removable, right? Yes, this is removable. It's 12 by 48 inches, and this is the navy blue. So we have all different shades of blue there. I'm gonna hold these up. So these are all the different shades of blue. That's beautiful. It's like a beach scene, nautical. This vinyl is perfect for putting on cards. Like think of winter scenes, beach scenes, nautical, all of that. So when you have little pieces, instead of just trying to stick on a whole bunch of little pieces, use vinyl to put on your greeting cards. Game changer. You can also use iron-on too. Ooh, it's sparkly. Shimmery, actually. I'm like a little child. I'm like, ooh, sparkly, I gotta touch it. All right, so this is the premium vinyl, and this is shimmer, and this is permanent, and this is black. Can you see the sparkle? You can use black on so many things, shimmery, but I'm thinking the closest thing is Halloween. Cut this and put it on some like wooden sign, and you can make a sparkly, just cut it out, transfer it onto the wooden sign, and it could have, say, like Hocus Pocus. Or the witches in. And we're getting some everyday iron-on. So we're getting this. This is the deep blue sea sampler. So we're getting 3 different colors here. We're gonna have like a dark navy, and then more like a royal blue and a lighter blue. And this you're gonna get 3 12 by 12 sheets of this iron-on. Which, as I mentioned earlier, iron-on is great to put on cards also. It's awesome. So if you haven't done greeting cards with iron-on, highly recommend it. Try it. I'm sure you'll love it. You can also use this on wood too, and you can make home decor. It would look really good on some whitewashed wood to do a nautical, kind of like that nautical one I did recently. All right, we got some transfer tape, guys. This is going to be 12 by 48 inches of transfer tape, which you're going to use to apply all that vinyl. So you will definitely use this while you're using the vinyl. Never have enough of this stuff, and you can reuse it. So if you do a piece and you transfer it with this, don't throw it away. You can totally reuse this transfer tape. Oh, and actually, that makes me think of something, let me mention. So let's go back to the premium vinyl shimmer. When you get the shimmer vinyl, you're going to want to transfer it with the strong grip transfer tape. But the really cool thing about that is they actually have a sheet within the shimmer vinyl for you. So if you open it and you unwind the roll some, you will see the strong grip transfer tape. So you always want to use that for like shimmer and glitter, but it's included. All right, and we're getting a tool in this box, guys. So we're getting a true control knife, the Cricut True Control Knife. So think like X-Acto knife, perfect for doing cuts around. So a little nice tool to have in your bag of tricks for sure. And then I saved my favorite for last. I mean, actually I did my favorite first because it was a cutie and I love cuties, but you know, holographic. I say this is what unicorns are made of. They're holographic to me, I guess, but we're getting holographic vinyl, and we're gonna get 12 by 48 inches of the blue holographic vinyl. It's sparkly. It's not sparkly. It's iridescent. Isn't it so pretty? I just love me some good hollow. Is that everything? That's everything. So that is everything in the box, guys. Now, because we get our little cutie, our Twilight Cutie, and he's in the box, it is access only, so you do have to be a Cricut Access member to purchase the box. But if you're not an Access member, don't worry because you can join. So links for everything are in the description of the video below. You have the links to buy your mystery box, which these are always quantities are limited. And the price on the box is $59.99. And as I always say, it's not $59.99 because you have to be Access and you get your Access discount on your purchases at Cricut.com. So also, if you are purchasing more that's not a mystery box or a machine, go ahead, if you get $50 or more, use our code INSPIRE10. So you use that at Cricut.com. It's going to give you free shipping. And like, just keep talking with the little cutie and don't even notice. It's going to give you free shipping and it's going to take 10% off your purchases of $50 or more. We appreciate you using our affiliate links too. It comes at no added cost to you, but we get a little commission that continues to us to be able to bring you guys new content. Also, you'll find the links below for the Melody Lane Inspired Monthly Giveaway. And this month we're giving away 10 $50 Cricut coupon codes. So we're giving you $50 in credit. You get to go to the Cricut store and you get to purchase whatever you want. So to actually enter that, all you have to do is comment on this video and you're just going to comment, enter me in Melody Lane Giveaway. And then you're going to click the link in the description and that's going to take you to Rafflecopter and that is where you finish and enter. But anyway, guys, good luck to you all. Thank you guys for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, all of that good stuff. Thanks to all our admins, supporters, and everyone. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And we will see you next time, guys. Thanks and happy crafting. Bye. Here's a shout out to some of our supporters on patreon.com. Janice, Eva, Dolores, Tracy, Jane, Joanne, Paula, Julie, Juanita, Peggy, AJ, Catherine, Jill, Sherry, Michelle, Susan, Jennifer, Lori, Kim, and Kim.